that I want to enable ELB on a complex website. So what you have to do is you have to go to the instance and install that or basically deploy that website. Then it will work fine for you. Here, why we are trying this approach, because it's very straightforward. The website itself is very straightforward. That's why we are not logging into that. We are not getting into the EC2 instance and like deploying the website. Are you able to get it?
Explain that one more time.
Yeah, sure. I'll tell you. Basically, if someone comes up to you, right? Okay, they say they okay, I have a really complex website. I want you to enable ELB for this part. Okay, so basically, what they'll do is they'll give you the GitHub code and everything. Now, from this terminal, the terminal you see the blank box, right? We are putting some code, right? What that code will do is that code will actually create some HTML file for you and just write the text inside that HTML file, right? Basically, it will like create a HTML skeleton or basically a simple website for you. What will let's just paste everything that I've sent to you here in this white box and explain. We'll remove it later. What exactly this step does? This step will actually install a HTTP server for you, and it will enable the HTTPD server for you, the basically Apache web server for you. And it will actually, the last line you see, right? Simple HTML page. It will create a HTML file for you and deploy the website for you. Make sense?
Yes. Yeah, it'll basically create a basic website for me, right?
Yeah. Now,
and
the thing is, yeah. So then the thing is, yeah, this will do. But when someone comes to you and shows you a really complex website, this approach won't work. Are you able to get it?
Right, because this is so basic, right? It's just simple one
Yeah,
page
this
or
very
website.
simple one. Yeah, yeah. So at that moment, what you have to do is you have to go into that EC2 server, the EC2 instance, and get the code from wherever that person is telling you. Like it could be like GitHub or wherever. You have to get the website running in each server manually. Make sense? So that's approach we are trying to do now. You can remove this code. It will be fine. Yeah, just remove this part and just put number of instances 2. Yeah, number of instances 2. Yeah, not here. Just remove everything and in the right summary part, just put number of instances equals to 2. It's already 1. We have to put it 2.
Oh, okay.
Perfect. Yeah. So what it will do is it will actually deploy 2 EC2 instances at a time. So you can click on launch. Everything is done. So what you can do is just take a screenshot of, yeah, you can take some screenshots so that ChatGPT will get some idea about what exactly we are trying to do.
Like all this entire page?
Yeah, little bit, yeah. Little bit of everything. A bit of context it will get. Till here it's clear, right? No doubts? Any doubts?
No, I don't have any doubts.
Okay.
We are setting up the configurations for the EC2 instance. We're telling it we need 2 of these instances.
Right.
We're choosing what type, blah, blah, blah.
Right.
For the key pair, we chose password. I don't know what this password means, but
Okay, I'll tell you. That's a doubt, right? Basically, like what is key pair exactly? So key pair is nothing but the password to you, like a password to your EC2 instance. With the help of key pair, you can connect to your EC2 instance. It's like that, right?
I see. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so which part should I screenshot, like right here or something?
No. The above parts you can screenshot and the summary basically.
So like right here.
Yeah, the summary part you can screenshot. Yeah, and just you can paste it in that. Yeah. Perfect. Now let's click on launch instance and we have to wait for
Where
a
is
couple
that
of seconds.
summary section?
Yeah, in the right part. So whatever you've done till now, it will take a summary of that. Yeah,
Okay,
scroll
okay.
down a bit.
Launch.
Yeah, you can click on launch now. Yeah, perfect. Let's wait. Okay, now let's click on instances. Yeah. Okay, basically already it was running, right? ELB and everything. Okay. So you can turn that demo 1 and demo 2 off. It won't charge you. It is charging you, right? Demo 1 and demo 2. Just turn the instance state off here. Actions. No. In the instance state, the previous, yeah, this option. Just click on stop instance. Perfect.
Stop or terminate? Stop, right?
You want to like delete it or yeah, you can delete it, terminate. You can click on terminate. So that will completely delete because we won't be needing it again.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's scroll down. I think it is getting initialized, the ELB one and everything. Now if you scroll down, you'll see ELB and ELB like, can you scroll down a bit?
Yeah.
Yeah, no. Yeah, this one. Yeah. So basically, if you see, scroll down a bit more. So ELB one, you can just rename it to ELB2, the second one. That will be easy to identify. Yeah. Yeah. Just add a space and just add a two. Yeah. It will look better. Yeah. Yeah, it's perfect. Yeah. No issues. So it's getting initialized. Basically, in the previous session, we have seen, right, how you exactly connect to a receipt instance, right? Do you remember that part?
Think about it. How do you
Yeah.
connect to an EC2 instance?
Yeah. So we have created an instance. It's running.
You
Like in a couple of seconds, it will be running. Now, how exactly you will connect to it? Like the machine, it's a machine, right? It's a Linux-based machine that you have deployed in cloud. Now I tell you, okay, now connect to the receipt instance and you have
was
to do
it
some.
Jenkins? Did we use Jenkins or something?
No. Jenkins is a bit different. Jenkins is CI/CD tools. It's a bit different. Now for that, basically, whenever someone asks to like how you connect to a receipt instance, you have to say using Putty. Once I am using like Windows laptop, but if I'm using like a Mac or basically Linux based machine, I use uh like you actually connect to a receipt instance using Linux command. That's it, or SSH command. That's what you have to say. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah, you use Putty and for key basically you generate key pair so that you can connect to your EC2 instance. Okay, now you can click on refresh. Okay, did we create a new key pair or like it's the older one? I think we use the older one only, I guess. Can you click on that instance ID?
Right here.
Yep. So in the basically in instance ID, we'll get more idea about what exactly key pair we have used and everything. Can you scroll down a bit? IAM role, you'll see somewhere key pair will be given. Okay, another way I'll tell you how to get the key pair exactly, which if you forget that which key pair you have used, click on that connect option. That one, yeah. Beside that instance state. Yeah. Connect. Yeah. Go right side, left side a bit. Yeah. I can see connect. Yeah. Go to
What
the
am I
right corner.
clicking?
Yeah. Click on the right corner.
Oh, right
Perfect.
here.
Yeah.
Okay.
No. Go left. A bit left. Yeah. That's the option. Yeah. Click on connect. So basically, if you forget the which key pair you have used, click on SSH client. Just click on it. Yeah, basically in SSH client, if you see password.pem is the key, basically the key file that you have used, or the key pair file. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we have to search for password. Now go to a putty. Yeah, just
Yeah.
click on yeah. Now basically few details we have to pass. First thing is what? Your IP address. Just paste the IP address from EC2, basically the instance ID. Yeah. No, not this one. Not this one. I'll tell you. Go to instances. Yeah. So here, if you see, yeah, click on any of the instance ID. Perfect. Here you can see IPv4 address, right? Can you see that? Yeah, that one only. Yeah, that one. Same. Yeah. Copy it and paste it in your putty. This is the IP address of your website.
So the
Okay.
Putty is basically helping, is like the desktop on-prem server that we're using to connect to our instance
Right. Yeah.
from our
Yeah. That's
local
what.
machine.
Right. Yeah. So Putty is a tool that we use to connect to our EC2 instance or the virtual machine. Okay. Now you can click on SSH in the left panel. Yeah. In the Putty left
So
panel.
is Putty the only way we could have done this, or we could have used like Tomcat or something else?
No. Putty is the only way for Windows user, like the most used way. In companies also we use Putty only. That's the thing. Yeah. In the left
So
panel, you can
then
see.
when I made a virtual machine, with another coach on a different project, SailPoint project, we used Tomcat server. We used Tomcat to connect to the virtual
No.
machine that we created. So what was the why did we able to?
No. Tomcat is a server. Like as we are doing Apache, right? Apache is also a server. Tomcat is also a server. So yeah. No. Can you
So
like just do ChatGPT a bit? Yeah, I don't think so. There's a way. Like the Tomcat, we can't use it to connect EC2 instance. Can you just type it once?
can we use Apache Tomcat to connect to two EC2 instances in Amazon Web Services? Question mark. Something like that, right?
Yeah, seems good. Yeah. Do you mean running Apache Tomcat on EC2 instance? Yeah. Are you able to get it? It's totally different. Tomcat is an application that you run on EC2 instance. We don't use Apache Tomcat to connect to EC2 instance. Yeah, Tomcat is totally different. It's a server manager. Like basically, you can like deploy a couple of websites using a single instance. That's what a Tomcat does. That's what we are doing with the help of Apache. So you
So
can just search.
Putty and Tomcat are not the same type of
No,
applications.
not compatible. No, we can't compare it.
Got it. Okay. Instant. Okay, makes sense.
Okay, let's go to Putty again. Now go to the left terminal and just put SSH. Like click on that SSH plus icon in the left panel. Yeah, SSH. Yeah, plus click on the plus icon that SSH have. Then you have authenticate, right? AUTH. Just click on the plus icon. Yeah. Click on credentials. Just click on the first browse in the right panel. Yeah. Yeah. Scroll up a bit. You can see browse. Yeah. Scroll up. Yeah. Perfect. Click on browse and you have to select that password key wherever you have like kept. Click on browse. So it will open your downloads or whatever. See, do we get that? I think it's in desktop or somewhere. Downloads, you have to search once. But you have to select that password one. I think we don't have it. Yeah, Putty, this extension is good. Now click on desktop maybe. I think you have kept it desktop. Not sure. We should have connected this my key file, I guess. We made a mistake. Click on download desktop maybe. It's not here, right? Click on downloads. We made a really big mistake in that sense. So basically that Puttify you don't have exactly password one, but we have created earlier. It should be there somewhere. Click on documents maybe. I remember we downloaded it. Yeah, but do you remember where we have kept it, that password file? It should
Well,
look
normally
similar
I
to
would
that.
put this kind of stuff always in the downloads folder. So if it's not there, it's possible I accidentally deleted it. But I mean, I usually don't delete those kind of things, but it's possible.
Got it. In that case, what we can do exactly is we actually have to do that whole step again, deploying, but we can do it in very quickly. Should we do it?
Yeah.
Because the
You
key
want
pair is there, so we won't be able to like connect to the EC2 instance. That's the problem use case.
okay.
Okay, now let's go to an instance again. We'll create a new instance. It won't take like more than 2 minutes. Yeah,
So
just
wait,
go to
the reason we're creating the new instance is why? Because we don't have a
key pair to connect to it.
key pair.
Yeah, I thought that we must be having that password key in the downloads, but we are not having it.
Got it.
Because why we thought, because it was already showing in that terminal that we have some password key that we created earlier.
Mm-hmm.
That's
Should
why
we
we thought,
delete
yeah,
all
we can
these
delete
other
it.
ones? All
Yeah.
of them?
Yeah, Jenkins also, everything you can delete.
It takes some time for them to delete or something like that.
No, it will happen in the background.
Oh,
So we
okay.
can click on launch instances.
Or are they back again?
No. They will like go away some like after some time maybe. Yeah, they are just getting deleted. It will show up like for a couple of days, but it will go away after that.
Got it.
Yeah, just give ELB something like that. Anything. Perfect. Now scroll down, scroll down. Scroll down. Everything seems fine. Scroll down. Keep scrolling down. Perfect. Perfect. In networking, you just have to configure this allow HTTP and HTTPS. Perfect. Just click on two and just deploy the instances. That's it. No, two. Yeah. You want two instances? Launch instances? No, just a second. Just a second. Just a second. You missed one thing. Go up a bit.
Key pair.
Yeah, key pair. Yeah. So create a key pair. Create a new key pair. Or we can use the my key pair as well. We have that my key pair, right? In that. So we'll just select my key pair. That is fine. Perfect. Now click on launch instance.
Hmm.
So this is how we create EC2 instance and this is how we connect to it.
Hmm.
Okay, it's getting deployed. In the meantime, we can do the putty part. Go to instances.
Mhm.
Just refresh the whole page. It will show up some. Same thing. Click on the instance ID. The first one. Yeah. Just rename it for now. Yeah. Just rename any of these. No,
How do
the
I know
running.
which?
Yeah, the running one. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You can put any of these as two. Yeah. Click on instance ID of any of these. Perfect. Now click on maybe just copy the IP address that we have. Yeah, the IP address. Just copy it. Yeah. Perfect. Now go to your putty.
One second. Sorry, one second.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay.
Perfect. Just go to Putty, copying the IP address.
Yeah, I copied it. Yes.
Yeah, just go to Putty. Perfect. Now cancel this option, maybe. Yeah, cancel this for now. Now go to Putty again. Yeah, go to scroll up in Putty in left panel. Yeah, left panel of Put. Scroll it up.
Mm-hmm.
Already scrolled up. Okay, is it? Click on maybe cancel. Just cancel it. We'll try to turn it on maybe.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, just turn on Putty again. We'll show up the IP address. We have to paste the IP address. In the key pair, we'll select the my key pair that we already have.
Okay. Give me 1 second. I'm sorry. 1 second.
Sure. Yeah.
Okay. Ready.
Perfect. Now go to Putty. Just like turn on Putty again. Yeah, just paste the IP address here. Yeah, paste it.
Yes. Okay.
Perfect. Now go to SSH in the left terminal, the left.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Click on it. Credentials. Auth, basically auth. Yeah. Auth. Credentials. And click on browse. The first type, the first one. The right panel. Right panel. Yeah. Now you just have to browse that mykey.ppk. It will work fine. Yeah. Just select it, open it, and click on open. Just click on open. Perfect. Now accept everything. Yeah. Now just write EC2 hyphen user. EC2 hyphen user. So just click on enter. Perfect. We are inside the EC2 instance. Now basically the step we did, right? We deployed a website, we installed that HTTPD, right? Now the same step we are going to do it manually. How we do it manually? So we have to run some command. Just write sudo update. I'll just give you the command. Okay. Okay, I'll just do it. So basically I shared your file. It'll paste it. Is it working? Space and just paste that command. You copied, yeah. Paste it. Enter. Perfect. What exactly it means? Do ls. Yeah, do ls. Enter. Perfect. Basically, I'll tell you what this sudo var w2html is, right? So what this path says that you have installed the server successfully, and this is the path where you have to keep whatever, basically all the HTML file here only. This is the HTML path. What it will do is whatever, like basically if you put any random stuff here, so the server will think, okay, you want to deploy this website, it will start deploying. Basically, if you put 10 different HTML files here, it will deploy 10 different HTML files. Are you able to get it? Yeah, that's the point. We have to configure it in another step, but now we'll create the file, right? How to create a file? We'll just click on sudo vi.
Click on sudo vi.
Yeah, sudo vi, sudo space and vi. Just a second. Yeah, sudo vi, enter. So what is vi? Vi is your text editor. Okay, now we have the vi text editor. I'll just give you some command. You have to paste it. Uh, Give me a second. I think it should work. Okay. Just do. Basically, we won't need it, right? Just do escape. Best just press escape or basically colon. Just press colon WQ and exclamation mark. Or just press colon Q. Just press colon Q. Perfect. Now I'm sending you another code. Basically, you just run it. It should work. Yeah, I've sent you on WhatsApp. Yeah. Maybe. Or just enter it. If it shows some error, we have to put sudo in front of it. What it says? Event not found. Event not found. Why is saying this? Okay, let it be. Let's do sudo part itself. That is more convenient. Just write sudo vi, and I'll just share you the code, HTML code. Yeah, and just press enter. I'm just sending the code. I've sent on WhatsApp, right? You just have to paste it again. Yeah. Press enter. I'll teach. Yeah.
Yeah, also.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yeah, just press enter. Yeah, just paste the code what I have sent on WhatsApp. You are unable to paste it, is it? Just press I first. Just press I. No, no. Yeah, press I. No, no, colon. No, no, not this. Yeah, do sudo vi again. Yeah, just press I first. Yeah, paste. Perfect. Now do a colon. Do escape, maybe. Then press colon. No, no, you pasted it again. Yeah, just remove. Oh, it failed something. Stop
Okay,
that.
so first is
Paste it. Yeah.
pasting, then
Press escape. Now just write colon. Yeah, press colon. WQ and exclamation mark. Perfect. Enter. No file. Why are you saying this? Oh, okay. Something we mismatched. Maybe. Okay, go back. Do like colon Q and exclamation mark. Q exclamation mark. Enter. Why it is saying we don't have file? Sudo vi, right? Stopped. Basically, if you see sudo stop, like, do sudo vi again. Okay, just a second. Just a second. Just a second. Not sudo vi. Just a second. Just write sudo vi html dot no, no, no. Just a second. I'll just tell you the name. Index.html. Sudo vi space index.html. Just write it. Index.html. Perfect. Enter. Yep. Just paste the code. I think we are in the right path. Maybe. Yeah. Yeah. Perfect. Now do colon WK and exclamation mark. Enter. Perfect. Now do basically press upper arrow like couple of times. I'll tell you when to stop. Yeah, again, again, again. Enter. No, yeah, enter. Do ls. Yeah, enter. Perfect. We have the file now. Now, basically, what it will do is actually deploy your index.html. Now, how to validate it? You go to your IP address, basically EC2. It works, right? Now, basically, it works. Okay, I want to see the IP address, right? Just give me a second. It works. It shouldn't print this actually. Okay. Now basically go to your EC2 instance. Basically the putty. It shouldn't show this. Now go to your sudo vi. Do it again. Basically do cat of index HTML. Like just write sudo cat index.html. Sudo space
Like
cat.
CAT.
Yeah, perfect. Now index.html. Enter. Why it's showing this? So that it works. We have not printed something like it works, something like that, right? Why it's showing different? Oh, okay, but why it's showing? Go to be like something we made some error, maybe. It works. Where we have kept it works. Nothing, right? Nowhere. Now go to your EC2 instance, like AWS again, to see where it is showing error. It shouldn't show it technically. Yeah, go to your AWS again. Why it's showing error? Just refresh it again. I want to see, like, refresh it. The new terminal that you opened.
This one?
Yeah,
Oh,
no, no,
here.
yeah, yeah. Just refresh it. Why it's showing it works? It shouldn't. It shouldn't show this. It should show something else.
Mm.
It's not taking our website, maybe. Okay, okay, okay. Go to an instance. Yeah, instances. Yeah, EC2. Yeah, the AWS. Yeah. Now come down, scroll down a bit. Yeah, click on security. Security app. Yeah, perfect. Now just click on inbound rules. Yeah. Yeah, click on that security groups. The launch wizard 6 is there, right? The blue icon, the blue link.
Which one? I'm sorry.
Yeah, the blue link. Yeah, click on it.
This?
No, 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 below one. The security
Oh,
groups.
oh.
No, no, not that one. Below, below. Yeah, the below one. Yeah. Click on it. Yeah. Now, okay, we already have it, right? Security wizard, TCP, IPv4, SSH, HTTPS. Yeah, it's there. Come down, scroll down. Okay, click on outbound rules. Inbound and outbound, right? Here it's not there, right? Click on edit in outbound rules. Yeah, click on edit. Yeah, edit outbound rules, right side. Yeah. Yeah. Now click on add rules. Now here you just write custom TCP, right? Just click on the drop down of custom TCP. Yeah. Yeah, just put HTTP something, like scroll down. You will see HTTP somewhere. Yeah, scroll down. Scroll down. Yeah. Yeah, scroll down. You'll see HTTP. Yeah. Click on that HTTP part. Perfect. Now click on custom, right? You see custom again in that destination. Yeah. Click on it.
Mhm.
Yeah, click IPv4. Anywhere IPv4. Yeah, click on save rules and just go to the terminal, or basically the browser. Save rules. Yeah, click save rules. Yeah, perfect. Now go to that browser that we opened, that link, the new terminal browser. Yeah, refresh it maybe. It's not loading.
It's supposed to
It's
load
like
the website.
it's just supposed to load the website. Yeah. Okay, but where we have written it works, nothing, right? Okay, okay. Um, okay, something we made wrong, or is it? Not sure. Now go to your EC2 again, the putty, or basically go to EC2. But why it is showing it? This thing. Did we did something wrong? Go to EC2 again. I want to see like why it's showing this. Oops. Okay. Give me a second now. I'll just research a bit why it's showing error. Why it's showing it works rather than that. Okay. How we can do is just write, go to your Putty. I think it's not loading. Yeah. Rafi, can you go to Putty again?
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah. Now scroll up, like keep, click on the upper arrow, like a couple of times. I'll tell you when to stop. Yeah.
I'm sorry. What?
Yeah. Click the upper arrow a couple of times. I'll tell you when to stop. So basically, we have to run a command. Yeah. Click, scroll up, click on upper arrow. Yeah. Upper arrow again. Upper arrow. Upper arrow. Yeah. We have to restart everything, right? Click on up. Yeah. We had an option, right? Sudo start, enable all this. We have to click on restart now. Scroll up. Yeah. Scroll up once. Yeah. Just stop here. Yeah. No. Scroll down. Yeah. Start, right? We have to click on just rename or basically put restart in, like basically you have to, yeah. Rather than start, you have to restart it. Perfect. You have click on enter. Yeah. Just basically how we can check it. Go to the, yeah. Let it refresh. It's showing the same stuff, right? What it is doing, it actually loading the by default page that shouldn't show. Now do this. This is the only way we can verify it. I have sent you a command on WhatsApp. Just run this command and let me know what it shows. This is a very important command. Oh, okay. Here you see, right? No such file or directory, which means we have pasted the code somewhere else. Where is your index.html? So how we can do is just remove that index.html in front of it. Just put the upper arrow, replace that cat with cd. First remove that index.html, cd, and just remove that index.html. Just keep it till html. Yeah, you have to scroll that arrow in front, like manually you have to do. Yeah, remove that index.html. Keep the slash on. Yeah, just enter. Yeah, now just do ls. It's not here, right? Perfect. Yeah, click on enter. It shouldn't be here, right? Now what you can do is just write, write, what's the code? Vi, just write sudo vi space vi and write index.html and paste the code. Yeah, exclamation mark and just press colon, wk and exclamation mark.
WQ.
An exclamation mark. What it means, it is like write, quit, and save. It's like that. Now, what you do is just do press upper arrow a couple of times. We see that cat command, right? Yeah, go up again. Enter. Now click on enter. Perfect. Now just go to your webs, basically that Chrome. You should be able to see it now. Perfect. It's working. No, it's not working that way, right? It's not taking the host name as such. Okay. Now what is the host name? You see, right? The IP address 221. Just copy that part. You see that 221, right? You have to edit that again. Yeah, copy everything. Copy it. Yeah, perfect. Now go to your Putty again. I'll tell you how to edit the code. Just click sudo vi index.html. Enter. Now you see that host name, right? Just go to that host name manually and just paste it whatever you have copied. Yeah. Remove it. Unable to remove it?
Yeah.
Yeah, just press I and try to remove it now. Yeah. Now remove the dollar as well. Remove that everything. Yeah, paste it now. Paste it, yeah. The IP address. Perfect. Now HTTP also you can remove. Yeah. That's not needed.
Do we need the parentheses and stuff?
No, not needed. Yeah, just remove that slash and everything. Yeah. The forward slash, yeah. Yeah, remove it. Yeah, remove everything. Yeah, perfect. Now, at the end also you can see the slash and after that 21, right? Just remove that option.
You need a little hyphen?
Yeah, hyphen will work. Yeah, you can keep hyphen. And then you just remove that exclamation mark, the bracket, and I think it's 2 to 1. Just put 1 again. Perfect. And remove that perfect exclamation mark and everything. Yeah. Perfect. Perfect. Now save it. How to save it? Escape. First press escape. Now press colon, WQ and exclamation mark.
Oh, I didn't do the exclamation mark.
I think, yeah, you can just verify it using cat command. Press upper arrow twice. Enter. Yeah, it's perfect. Now go to that browser and just refresh the page. Yeah, it's showing, right? It is showing our IP address.
Yeah.
No, now this thing, till here it's working fine. It's perfectly working fine. Now what you have to do, we have to do the same command in the second term, the second EC2 instance. Got it?
Okay.
Now how to do it, I'll tell you. Just write putty.
Can we Ashutosh, can we continue tomorrow from here?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, we can continue. I think it's still some steps are left. So it will be
Yeah.
like very light for you. So yeah, we can definitely continue tomorrow.
Okay, brother. Yeah, I'm getting
So
super
what you can do
sleepy
is,
and then
Mhm.
go ahead. Sorry, go ahead.
Yeah. So basically what you could do is just stop the instance so that it won't charge you. Stop it now.